Hey everybody, welcome back to the Tech, Gaming, and AI News Nerd Cap of the Week. This week we have some cool news, some more cool news, and some more cool news, so stay with me. Microcenter picks its third Texas location. Can you guess where it is? I'll tell you. It's in Austin, Texas. So Microcenter is opening a massive new store in Austin, Texas, set to debut in 2026. The 55,000 square foot location will be the company's largest store to date, offering a wide selection of PC hardware, electronics, maker tools, and repair services. If you haven't been to a Microcenter before, go to one if you can, or go online and look at videos of it because it's freaking sick. I actually live about 1 minute from one, and it's freaking amazing, but living that close to one is definitely not good for my wallet. Austin was chosen for its fast-growing tech community, with Microcenter citing strong demand for PC builders, gamers, and IT professionals in the region. The store will also feature expanded in-store workshops and maker spaces, which is really cool, reinforcing the brand's reputation as a hub for tech enthusiasts. This expansion is super exciting for me. I lived in Austin for a couple of years, and the only thing it was missing was a Microcenter. They have a tech store of some sort down there, and they were only open Monday through Friday until 6 p.m., so you could really never get there on time because traffic down there is horrendous. But really excited for this. Let me know in the comments below. Are you excited to see Microcenter open up a store in Austin, Texas? Google has officially announced the Pixel 10 lineup, including the Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Some of them are launching in September, and then the Pro Fold is actually going to be launched in October. The phones have a new Tensor G5 chip, promising major gains in AI performance, efficiency, and on-device processing. Design-wise, the Pixel 10 series features slimmer bezels, flatter edges, and refined camera bars. The software actually introduces Material 3 Expressive, Google's boldest design refresh in years, with dynamic colors, fluid animations, and AI-driven personalization. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold stands out with a 55 milliamp battery, a slimmer hinge, and improved durability, tracking key foldable pain points. It's actually IP68 rated now, so it's actually one of the most waterproof flip phones that you can buy. So that's actually really cool. I actually have the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and it's awesome, but I'm not going to be buying the new one. Let me know in the comments below. Are you excited for the Pixel 10 lineup? And are you going to be buying a new phone? Google has expanded Notebook LM's video overviews to 80 languages worldwide, making its AI-powered summarization tool far more accessible. Yay! Video overviews generate concise visual explainers for complex documents, turning text-heavy research into easier-to-digest video summaries. It's actually really awesome. You should go try it out if you haven't yet. The rollout brings the feature to a global audience, supporting students, researchers, and professionals who prefer multilingual learning formats. Google says the update is part of its push to make AI research tools more universal, especially as Notebook LM becomes a central hub for knowledge organization. Again, if you haven't used this, definitely go play with it. It's freaking awesome. I actually have a YouTube video where I did a news podcast for the week, completely using their AI tool, Notebook LM. It's freaking sweet. You should go check it out. YouTube is facing backlash after reports that it had been using AI to edit creators' videos without permission. The system automatically adjusts elements like lighting, audio, and pacing to optimize for engagement and ad performance. Creators argue that these edits alter their tone and intent of their work, and some claim that the changes were made without a clear disclosure. Some groups warn that this definitely raises major concerns about consent and creative control, especially on online content. But YouTube says the AI tools are meant to enhance the viewer's experience, but criticism is mounting over the lack of opt-in transparency. Have you seen any of these out in the wild? I know it's not random, even though they say it is, but there are a ton of creators that have been affected by this. Let me know in the comments below. Do you prefer these AI improvements, or should Google leave them alone? At Gamescom 2025, NVIDIA announced major upgrades to the NVIDIA app, positioning it as the new all-in-one hub for PC gamers. That's a lie. The update integrates GeForce Experience, Control Panel, and RTX tools into a single, streamlined interface. Key additions include AI-powered game optimization, advanced performance monitoring overlays, and simplified driver updates. NVIDIA also highlighted the new RTX Remix tools for modders, making it easier to enhance classic games with ray tracing and AI upscaling. The refreshed NVIDIA app also aims to replace multiple older utilities, giving players and creators a centralized platform for gaming, streaming, and system tuning. Now, this has been in beta for a while, and if you've actually used it, it's not horrible and you don't have to log in anymore. Yay. But again, it's not perfect. Let me know what your thoughts are on this in the comments below. Microsoft and Asus have confirmed that the Xbox ROG Ally and the ROG Ally X handhelds will launch in October of 2025. Both devices will run Windows with a full Xbox Game Pass integration, positioning them as direct competitors to the Steam Deck. The standard ROG Ally Xbox Edition keeps a familiar Ryzen Z1 Extreme chip and 120Hz display, but adds Xbox branding, optimized controls, and deeper Xbox ecosystem support. The ROG Ally X, on the other hand, offers a larger battery and improved cooling, making it better suited for extended playing sessions. Pre-orders are expected to open in September, and pricing will be finalized and announced closer to release. But if the rumors are true, it will be around $1,000 or so for these handhelds. Is that too much for you? Are you excited for these? Let me know in the comments below if you're going to be picking one of these up. New leaks suggest Valve is working on a proper Steam Machine console, which these rumors happened a couple of years ago and a couple of years ago before that. So nearly a decade after its first attempt. So if that puts that into perspective, it's been going around for a while. So they started doing it and then they stopped. And then the rumors came that they were going to do it and then they stopped again. And now the rumors are back. So, unlike the earlier PC-like boxes, this version is described as a true console-like experience with custom hardware and a simplified Steam OS interface, which if it's anything like the Steam OS that you can get on Linux and other things, it's going to be freaking sweet. The reports also hint at possible AMD-based components and a design philosophy closer to the Steam Deck, but scaled for TVs rather than handheld play. Valve hasn't confirmed the project, but multiple leaks point to a potential reveal in late 2025 or early 2026. If this is real, this is super exciting and basically marks Valve's most serious push to compete with PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo on the console front. This is something I actually would probably buy because I don't really necessarily like having a PlayStation, an Xbox, and Nintendo, and a PC. I have all of them, and if I can just use Steam on one little box, that would be sick. But let me know in the comments below. Is this something that you're excited to see come out? That's all the news I have for this week. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. And until next time, remember to stay nerdy, y'all. Peace out.